Hey everyone! Ever dreamt of making money while you sleep? Today I'm diving into how you can create passive income with minimal effort. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and let's break it down together. Imagine waking up every morning to see your bank account growing without you having to lift a finger. It's not just a fantasy, it's a reality for many people who have mastered the art of passive income. Alright, first up, let's talk about digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or even stock photos. Create it once and sell it over and over. Imagine having an online course that people are buying while you're on vacation. Sweet, right? The beauty of digital products is that they require an initial investment of time and effort, but once they're out there, they can generate income for years to come. Plus, with the internet, your market is global. You can reach people from all corners of the world, 24/7. Next, let's jump into affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. The key is to recommend products you genuinely love and believe in. Your audience will trust you more, and you'll see those sales rolling in. It's all about building a relationship with your audience and providing value. When they see that you're recommending something that has truly benefited you, they're more likely to make a purchase. And the best part? You don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Now, for the risk takers out there, real estate can be a gold mine. Buy a property, rent it out, and voila! Monthly rental income with very little ongoing work. And if you can manage to hire a property manager, it's nearly hands-off. Real estate has the added benefit of appreciating in value over time. So not only are you earning rental income, but your property is also increasing in value. It's a win-win situation. Dividend stocks are another gem. Invest in companies that pay dividends, and you'll receive a portion of their profits regularly. It's like getting a paycheck just for owning shares. The key here is doing your research and investing in stable companies. Look for companies with a history of paying consistent and increasing dividends. This way you can ensure a steady stream of income. And remember, reinvesting those dividends can compound your returns over time. Let's not forget print on demand. Design your own t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online. The best part? You don't handle inventory or shipping. The print on demand company takes care of that for you. This allows you to focus on creating unique designs and marketing your products. With platforms like Teespring and Printful, you can easily set up your own online store and start selling in no time. It's a fantastic way to turn your creativity into a source of passive income. What about blogging? Once it's up and running, you can monetize through ads, sponsored posts, and even affiliate links. It might take some time to build traction, but once it does, you're looking at passive income rolling in month after month. The key to a successful blog is providing valuable content that attracts and engages readers. Over time, as your blog gains more traffic, you'll have more opportunities to monetize. And the best part? You can write about topics you're passionate about, making it a fun and rewarding endeavor. Lastly, consider investing in peer-to-peer lending. You lend your money to individuals or small businesses, and they pay you back with interest. It's a win-win situation, and there are plenty of platforms that make it easy to get started. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to diversify your investments across multiple loans, reducing your risk. Plus, you can choose the level of risk you're comfortable with, from low-risk loans with lower returns to higher-risk loans with higher returns. It's a great way to earn passive income while helping others achieve their financial goals. So there you have it. 7 ways to make passive income with minimal effort. Remember, the goal is to set up systems that generate income without constant attention. It might take some upfront work, but the payoff is absolutely worth it. The key is to start small and gradually build up your passive income streams. Over time, you'll find that your efforts compound, leading to greater financial freedom and flexibility. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these passive income opportunities today and take the first step towards a more secure financial future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. All it takes is a bit of effort and the right strategies. See you next time.